Hello, and thank you for joining us for Trivia Tuesday. This trivia is not so trivial, but we hope to boost your human rights IQ. Each week, we will release a new video with 10 questions and answers. Just go through the questions and see how much you know. You might learn a thing or two. Enough with the intro, let's get started. Question 1. Which of the following has Rwanda ratified or acceded to? A. Optional Protocol to the Convention on the Rights of the Child. B. Optional Protocol to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. C. Optional Protocol to the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Political Rights. D. International Convention for the Protection of All Persons from Enforced Disappearance. Or E. None of the above. The correct answer is E. None of the above. Question 2. What year was the President of Rwanda, Paul Kagame, re-elected? A. 2016, B. 2017, C. 2018, or D. 2019? The correct answer is B. 2017. Question 3. When is World Day Against the Death Penalty? A. September 15th, B. October 10th, C. November 10th, or D. December 17th? The correct answer is B. October 10th. Question 4. In July 2020, which country repealed capital punishment for homosexuality? A. Ukraine, B. Ethiopia, C. Sudan, or D. United Arab Emirates? The correct answer is C. Sudan. Question 5. In order for an immigrant child to apply for special immigrant juvenile status, special findings by a state court of one of three things is required. Which of the following is not required? A. The child has been abused. B. The child has been neglected. C. The child has been orphaned. Or D. The child has been abandoned? The correct answer is C. The child has been orphaned. Finding of abuse, neglect, or abandonment by one or both parents in the U.S. or abroad are required to apply for SIJS. Question 6. Where's Minnesota's immigration court located? A. Fort Snelling, B. St. Paul, C. Duluth, or D. Mankato? The correct answer is A. Fort Snelling. Question 7. According to the New York Times, as of 2018, how many states had shelters that held unaccompanied and separated children? A. 9, B. 17, C. 21, or D. 25? The correct answer is B. 17. States include Texas, Illinois, New York, Florida, Michigan, and Arizona. Question 8. Which of the following is a circumstance where a client may have an I-94 document even if they did not enter with legal status? A. They were paroled after credible fear interview. B. They were granted asylum. C. It was the first time they entered the U.S. without legal status. Or D. A and B? The answer for this question is D. A and B. Question 9. What year was the Constitution on Nepal adopted? A. 2015, B. 2016, C. 2017, or D. 2018? The answer is A. 2015. Final question. True or false, all graduates from the Sanku Palabari Community School in Nepal have gone on to study at a university in Nepal? The correct answer is true. That was our final question. We hope you boosted your human rights IQ. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you next week.